In Antalya, winter rain quite a lot, I guess. Today, it rains for a whole day. And the atmosphere is very cold. So I say to myself, how come I did not check the weather? In the art of war, it's really applied for any situation. It say 1月到2月天3月地4月着5月5月發 What does it mean? One, first check Tao. So Tao, what does it mean? If the trend, if this country is a trendy place for you to visit, I mean the culture, the safety, you wouldn't go to Iraq or war zone Syria at this moment. Maybe here this moment is still a little bit dangerous there. So you check if the trend is okay, the movement is okay. Then you check sky. Sky means weather, climate. So I check already if here is cold, but I wasn't very careful because I was thinking, okay, I want to have a good temperature so I can swim, I can feel relaxed because I was living in Poland and it's pretty cold there. And here I want to feel more happy, not like it's so heavy snow and winter, you know, it's pretty dark. But I didn't check very careful. I think it's 15 degrees, 20 degrees, sometimes it's okay. But actually it's not. It's for Asian temperature. For Russian, maybe okay because it's summer for them. And I haven't checked really careful about the weather if it rains because it may make a huge difference because with sun and without sun is a huge difference. Two different things. I didn't check this. 3月地 terrain. So the terrain here, you see, is pretty nice. It's very, very, very nice. I mean, the place is really nice. It's really nice. You know, this marble road is good quality, food is nice. So, the culture, Turkey culture, can be a bit not very honest because they are very good businessmen, sometimes too good maybe. Yeah, or a bit pushy. So, but in general here, it's alright, it's okay, it's beautiful, I like it very much. But the people is not so honest. Seiyujan 4. The general. So the general, which means if you are by yourself, that which means it's you. Are you able to manage this place with Tao, sky, earth, and fourth is yourself? Are you able to manage all these things? 5 is the law, the principle. So this is very important because you are the person, and are you able to apply the principle of yours to live in this place and thrive? I don't think so, yeah. I don't think so. This is a good place. Depends what you do. If you're a businessman, maybe, but if you're a businessman, you cannot do this like a retail business because you don't speak the local language, so which means much easier with the online.